Hey guys, welcome back to Tech Crumbs. Today we're going to show you how to check your heart rate with the Apple Watch SE. So basically I have it here on a normal watch face, but we can click the digital crown and here we scroll till we see the heart. Once we press the heart, it'll start checking and you can see the daily ones from 0, which was 12 o'clock, I was sleeping, all the way till I started waking up, and then it shows you what you've been doing. I have a 69 BPM beats per minute right now, and you can scroll down and see the resting rate, what is when I'm calm, and then you can even see the walking average, so when I've been walking. And that's how you basically check your heart rate. As you saw, you actually have here a little extra very clean way to check current one, resting rate, walking average, and so on. So yeah, that's how you check your heart rate with the Apple Watch SE. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.